Well, looks like we have a lot to talk about, my fellow crew Cymraeg. Grab a cuppa and get ready for some serious business. Now, let's talk about roles and responsibilities, shall we? I know, the words might get boring, but they're the secret sauce that keeps the crew Cymraeg running smoothly. We've got some very fancy titles over here. Chairman, Vice Chairman, Treasurer, and the list goes on. It's like we have our own government body. But hey, don't let the titles fool you. Each role is vital for your team's success. Even the Celts had roles and responsibilities. Their chairman meant business. He was the Celtic chieftain. He was the big cheese, the head honcho of their tribe. Our chairman is the captain of the ship, steering us in the right direction. The treasurer is the money master, making sure we have the budget and the funds for all our exciting activities, all Cymraeg related. And don't even get me started on our phrase of the week, officer. They're the linguistic genius that keeps our Cymraeg skills sharp. We can have officers for Welsh Assembly, Gamer Cymraeg, Music Cymraeg, a Sgiliau Cymraeg. Talk about being well-rounded, but here's the thing, my friends, we don't live in a bubble. We're not just Cymraeg superheroes, we're part of a bigger team. And that's where linking with other committees comes into play. So imagine this, we connect with the school council, digital ambassadors, reading ambassadors, and sports ambassadors. It's like the Avengers teaming up with the X-Men. Okay, maybe not that epic, but you get the idea. When we link up with these committees, the magic happens. We bring our Welsh flair to their activities, and they bring their awesomeness to ours. We learn from each other, support each other, and make our school a better place. Whether you're the big cheese, chairman, treasurer, or the Gamer Cymraeg officer, what you do matters. And when we join forces with other committees, we become an unstoppable force. Felly ewch amdani, make a difference, and show the world what the crew Cymraeg are capable of. Gore chwarae, cyd chwarae, together stronger. And remember, you're not just language heroes for today. You're carrying on the legacy of those ancient Celts who rocked their own roles and responsibilities.